Hello and welcome. This is your proportions unit test review homework. It says homework, but it's not really homework, but it is a review. And I'm really just going to scroll so you can take a look. Feel free to pause and copy answers down. If you have any questions, of course, you should email me or ask me. There's plenty of time before the test. Just some notes as we scroll here. There's answers 1 and 2. Number 2, not on the test. Number 1, I would want you to be able to set up that fraction and then divide by hand. Divide, again, by hand. Here's 3 and 4. I really like number 3. Hint, hint. Number 4 is just a pretty standard answer. Make sure you read your directions. Notice these directions say or ask for a mixed number. That's the final answer. Again, I could ask you how to do 5, 6, and 7, any of those on the test without a calculator. We need to know how to do that stuff by hand. And by being in pre-algebra, we assume that you know how to do that. So if you don't, let me know. Notice that in the middle here it says, this will be neater, or I'll ask you to round. That's true. If that comes up, let's keep scrolling here. Okay, I think I need to scroll over there to get that all in. Just some pretty standard questions here. No for number 8A. 8B, yes, because they equal each other. Notice how I flipped or reoriented this problem right here. I reoriented that figure. Helped out. Number 10, again, remember to pause. I don't need to be rushing, but I don't want to make this too long. Remember to pause. Got to use the correct ratio. We did. The special word is going to be December. So keep that in mind. I just made that up. Okay, don't forget your units. That's a half a point. Here's number 11. Remember to keep your units consistent. Days are on the bottom, or in the denominator. Number 12, we had something in a packet like that. You never know. I just said from 7:30 to 7:30, when he started to when he finished was 12 hours. That's 12 hours. And then I subtracted away the 45-minute lunch break, which got me 11 hours 15 minutes, which is 11 1/4 of an hour. I took that and I multiplied by his rate. 13, don't forget your units. Stay consistent when you set up your proportion. Oops, scrolled way too far, sorry. Okay, just to note that number 13A, we might have something like this where you need to write some sentences, apply the information, make sure it's applicable, and well, it's pretty self-explanatory there, I hope. Number 14, don't forget your units. I had to redraw. That looks like red raw, but it's really redraw. Reorient. 15 and 16. Something like number 16 could be extra credit. Number 15, definitely something like that, and a unit rate type problem is going to be on your test. I don't have units here, but I do down here. So make sure you include your units. 17 and 18. I love 17 and 18. I gave you 2 ways of doing it right here. You can do it by setting up that equation, or you can kind of just make a ratio. The markup divided by the original price. The discount divided by the original price. Either will end up the same answer. Answer for 19 and 20. Again, remember, you can pause and then look at what I've done. That's it. It's a little under 4 minutes. Remember to ask questions. Good luck, and don't forget your special word up there in the middle of the page.